Welcome back, Savages, to another video. Just a quick message for anyone that's involved in the Hivemapper project to be very careful. It looks like the Hivemapper Discord has been hacked today and they've been posting messages making it look official, like this one right here. So this message was posted in the product updates section this morning, which makes it sound even more legit because general users cannot post in there. If you look at this message, again, they mention the fact it's an airdrop. It looks like it's from a legit team member. And if you look at the claim link, they've even got a Hivemapper in there as well. If you click that link, the website's still up. So this is the page that it takes you to. And if you go to the top, there's a connect wallet. If you connect the wallet right there, basically you're going to get access to your Solana wallet or wherever your honey is stored and just drain it. I then went on the Discord again and tried to warn others about this scam. But unfortunately, they've kicked me off their Discord, so I can't even report on there. So the only thing I can do is just put this video out there. And if it helps one person out there to stop their funds from getting drained, then I've done my job. Again, it's very odd to see this type of message in a product update or announcements channel because that's usually just locked off and only available to the project team. And usually these type of things appear in the general channel where people can just post things and they normally get picked up and deleted and reported as scams. But because it was in a product updates section, it made it look all that more legit. The other interesting thing is that this has happened kind of early morning European time. If this is an American project, then possibly the project team might not have been aware of this, and maybe that's the reason why the scammers pulled this off at this time. The time of posting of this video, the scam is very much alive and they're still doing it. I've been kicked off the Discord, so I can't do anything. So if you see this video, please put it out and warn as many people as you can, and hopefully we try and minimize the damage. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Please be safe, and I'll see you savages on the next one.